and none of these words are helping my understanding. It was so easy back in the day. I made a video all about this. You had buckling spring and you had Cherry MX, and everything else was a cheap imitation.
How my keyboard sounds, but every 3 seconds they get more and more expensive.
We're starting at $350? $530? $682? No. We're done. $800? Come on, guys. Come on. I mean, no disrespect to the mechanical keyboard community. I'm one of you. I still enjoy some good thocks and thwomps and clumps and clocks and ticks and tocks and dicks and cocks. But look, at a certain point, when we're building cozy matcha keyboards, maybe we went too far. I'm sticking with my old reliable. I got an IBM Model M hooked up, and that's all I've had for years. All right? What? It's a fucking baby. Stop it.
What kind of names were these kids calling you?
Fatso, lard, wellie, bewell.
Porky, hog, fat ass, double wide, butterball, those sorts of things, right?
Yeah.